Welcome to the Materials Science lecture on band structure and conductivity. In this session, we will delve into the fascinating world of how materials conduct electricity and the role of their band structures. By the end of this class, you will be able to use band structure to explain why impurities increase conductivity in semiconductors. Additionally, you will understand how conductivity in doped semiconductors is influenced by temperature and impurities. Intrinsic semiconductors have a pure form where conductivity is determined by the thermal excitation of electrons from the valence band to the conduction band. This process creates free electrons and holes, which are essential for electrical conduction. Elemental semiconductors, like silicon and germanium, belong to group EVA materials. Compound semiconductors, such as gauze and CDs, have a wider energy gap due to the greater electronegativity difference between their constituent elements. Conduction in semiconductors involves the migration of electrons and holes. The concept of electron and hole migration is crucial for understanding electrical conductivity, which is influenced by factors like electron mobility and hole mobility. Let's take a moment to test our understanding. Can you identify examples of elemental and compound semiconductors? How are carriers excited in intrinsic semiconductors? And what impact does electronegativity have on the bandgap? Here are the answers to our inquiry. Elemental semiconductors include silicon, while compound semiconductors include gauze. Carriers in intrinsic semiconductors are thermally excited, and large differences in electronegativity result in a wider bandgap. For pure silicon, conductivity increases with temperature, which is opposite to the behavior of metals. The relationship between conductivity and temperature can be plotted as conductivity versus 1T, showing a clear trend. Intrinsic conduction occurs in pure semiconductors, while extrinsic conduction is influenced by impurities. Doping with elements like phosphorus or boron creates excess electrons or holes, significantly affecting the material's conductivity. N-type semiconductors are created by doping silicon with group 5 elements, which donate extra electrons. These electrons increase the conductivity by populating the conduction band, making them the majority carriers. P-type semiconductors are formed by doping silicon with group 3 elements, which create holes by accepting electrons. These holes act as the majority carriers, enhancing conductivity by moving through the valence band. Let's revisit our understanding with another inquiry. What are the carriers in N-type materials? Where is the acceptor state located? How do holes and electrons move in the electrostatic field? Here are the answers to our second inquiry. Holes are the carriers in N-type materials. The acceptor state is close to the valence band edge. Holes move in the direction of the electrostatic field, while electrons move in the opposite direction. To recap, we have learned how impurities affect conductivity in semiconductors and how temperature influences this property. We also explored the differences between intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors and their conduction mechanisms. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Feel free to leave a comment below the video to share your thoughts and questions. What did you learn from the video, and what topic would you like to explore further? This presentation contains copyrighted material used under the Fair Use Doctrine for educational and research purposes. All rights belong to their respective copyright holders. Links to relevant resources are provided in the video description.